In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right QuickBooks Online subscription plan for your business. QuickBooks Online offers 4 subscription tiers: Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. Each plan builds on the previous one, adding more features and capabilities to cater to the growing complexity of your business needs. Let's start with the Simple Start plan. This is an excellent choice if you are a freelancer or a sole proprietor. If your accounting needs are relatively straightforward, Simple Start has got you covered. This plan is designed for those who don't need inventory management and are the sole person managing the books. With Simple Start, you can easily track income and expenses, capture and organize receipts, and run basic reports. It's perfect for individuals who handle all aspects of their business finances themselves, without the need for additional users. Moving on to the Essentials plan. This option is more suitable if you find yourself working with a team, such as employees or business partners, who also need access to your accounting data. Essentials enables you to track and pay vendor bills, a crucial feature if you're dealing with multiple suppliers or service providers. This plan is tailor-made for service-based businesses that require more detailed financial reports compared to the Simple Start plan. It gives you a finer grip on your accounting processes, including the ability to manage bill payments and track sales tax within your transactions. Next, we have the Plus plan. This plan is ideal for businesses that are starting to grow and require additional tools to accommodate their increasing complexity. If your business involves selling physical products, Plus is the right plan for you because it includes inventory tracking. It's also great if you want to monitor project profitability, which is crucial for businesses handling multiple projects simultaneously. Plus provides advanced accounting features that support an expanding business, offering more comprehensive insights and management capabilities. Finally, let's talk about the Advanced plan. This plan is designed for larger businesses with multiple departments or locations. Advanced provides capabilities for custom reports and dashboards, key features for complex financial management. It supports workflow automation and advanced user permissions, which are indispensable for businesses with larger finance teams or intricate reporting requirements. With Advanced, you can streamline your operations through automation and have robust controls over user access, allowing you to allocate permissions based on specific roles or responsibilities within your organization. In summary, each QuickBooks Online plan is tailored to fit different business stages and requirements. Whether you're starting out on your own or operating a complex enterprise, there's a plan that suits your needs. Consider factors like the size of your team, whether you need inventory management, and the level of detail you require in your financial reports. With this knowledge, you're well equipped to choose the plan that will best support your business's growth and financial health. I hope you found this guide helpful in making an informed decision about which QuickBooks Online plan is right for you. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in to our next video for more helpful tips and insights.